Hey everybody, Chad here. In this video, we're going to explain, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google AdSense issues around your verification process. So if you're having trouble with verifying your docs, uploading your docs, seeing submit buttons on Google AdSense, I'm going to go over what's going on and how to fix it so you can get your Google AdSense verified, get your docs uploaded so you can start making money through Google AdSense. Now the one issue is, just like the screen here I'm showing, is with Google AdSense, when you go to verify your account, it uses pop-up windows. So it uses pop-up windows so you can upload your docs and start the verification process. The issue is you can't see the submit button. You can't see the submit buttons to kind of start the process. You don't see none of the buttons to upload your docs. So what's going on? And let's get rocking and rolling on this. So this is a simple fix. So basically what's going on is on your laptop, in your settings, by default, most laptops do this, by default, your settings are set on zoom. Okay, so you're seeing everything up close. So when Google AdSense, when they're using pop-ups, basically the pop-up is an auto formatting to your zoom. So you don't see the submit buttons. So that's what you're going to have to fix, is within your settings or within your preferences, you're going to have to zoom out so you can see the submit button. So I'll show you a quick one here. I'm using the iMac and I'm using Chrome. So on Chrome, if you go to the upper right, up here, you see these three little buttons on the far right hand side. If you click that, you see a zoom option. Okay, so you can see the zoom option, it's set on 100%. So if I start zooming out, you see what happens. Now all of a sudden I see my submit button. Okay, so this is how I can start my verification process. And this is the issue you're having when you're starting. You don't see the submit buttons, you don't see when you upload doc buttons, all the buttons are hidden because you have your settings set on zoom. So if I zoom it again, it won't let me scroll, it won't let me do anything. So, but if I zoom out, I can start the verification process. So no matter what search engine you're using, or if you're using Chrome, I have another setting down here too. Sometimes I use Internet Explorer and stuff like this on my Mac. So whatever you're using, you have to go to your preferences and zoom out to see the submit buttons, or go inside your preferences on your laptop and zoom out on your laptop as well. But that's a simple fix. That's what's going on, so you can get your Google AdSense account verified, get your docs uploaded. Other than that, hopefully that helped, and I will see you in the next video.